If you missed day one, here's a quick recap. After setting up camp, we explored the river, enjoyed a delicious burrito with my famous hot sauce hack, and made the most of the fire ban. We're kicking things off right where we left off, the next morning just in time for coffee and breakfast before we head out for the day. If you're new here, I'm Tori, and I'm chasing my wild here in the Pacific Northwest. At about 4:30 this morning, I heard two owls kind of talking to each other. It's kind of cool. You could tell one was kind of far away and the other one was pretty close. This morning, when I woke up around 8:30, I was surprised that there's not a lot of birds chirping in this forest. So if you have any idea about birds and their habits, just let me know in the comments. I'm interested to know why there's no birds in this forest, except for the woodpecker that's over here pecking on the tree. Another Spam, egg, and hash brown skillet breakfast. This is my favorite meal now. Sorry. Such a perfect camping breakfast. It's even better with cheese. Yummy. That's so good. You guys, breakfast was so good. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to clean up and then I'm going to take advantage of the shade before it gets hot today. Well, 82, it's going to get kind of warm. And then we'll head out and we'll go explore. I want to check out Panther Creek Falls. There's also a Panther Creek Campground up there I want to check out for next summer too. So why don't you come along with me?
Turn right onto National Forest Development Road 65, Panther Creek Road, then turn left.
Hello. I'm checking out the campground for next summer.
Yeah.
Are you staying here?
Yeah, we just pulled in.
So,
yeah. Well, nice talking.
Nice talking to you too. Enjoy your time here.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so 24 is right across the creek. 25 is the one I've been looking for. Which it's across the creek, but it's not super close. You'll have to walk down the road. So 24 was a primo spot. Remember that for next time, which I think I already knew that based on the reviews. Good to know for next summer. Okay. 24 and 28. Okay, I just saw this dispersed camping spot off the side of the road right before I got to this like one-lane bridge. I come back to this spot sometime next year when we can have fires. It's right on the creek. It's so cool. It's just beautiful. You can see the roads just right there. It's not very private, but hey, it's kind of cool. Okay, here's another dispersed camping spot off the main forest road. This one takes you down to the creek. This is Panther Creek, I think. So we'll take a quick walk down here. Very nice. So I just got back from a day of hiking and scouting out dispersed camping and a couple campgrounds. I'm just back here. I don't even know what the temperature is. It's pretty warm. But the great thing about this campground is that it's so peaceful. And I think I only saw one other camper here. So anyways, this is probably my favorite campground of the season. And I can't wait to come back next year. Okay, for dinner, we're going the easy route with some beef stew. So I haven't had a bad meal yet from this company, so I have a feeling this will be good too. So let's see how this goes. Okay, here's what it looks like before the water goes in. Not too shabby. Whenever I don't add enough water, even though it seems like there's enough water, I always have crunchy bits. So I put a little extra water, or what I think is extra water, and hopefully this will all completely absorb. I'll let you know how it tastes here pretty soon. It's very hot. Looks like beef stew. Tastes like beef stew. This is another winner, you guys. I love this brand. It's so good. I think I got a couple little crunchy carrots in there. Just kind of nice. Wow, what another epic camping trip in the books. If you missed day one, I'll link it here so you can catch my Riverside Confession. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. Until then, go chase your own wild. So I was walking to my car and I heard something drop. And I felt a little drop of something. And right next to me was this big caterpillar. I was inches away from getting hit from this little mean green machine.